Our next transaction is of 24 January, and this says return 5 Civic headlights by Mr. Abu Bakr. That is sale return, because customer is returning the inventory back to us at the rate of 47,000 per unit. Now sale return is a credit note, so it also has a separate area in PeachTree. I'll go to customers and sales, and under customer and sales there is option credits and returns. Click here and click on new credit memo. Now in new credit memo, customer name is Mr. Abu Bakr. So I'll select Abu Bakr. Now as soon as I select this, it shows it in gray area, because if you want to apply this to an invoice and pass the return from that invoice, so that only the remaining amount gets pending, so you can use this feature. Date is 24th January 2020. Customer is returning 5 Civic headlights. So Civic headlights 5 are returned at the rate of 47,000, which makes the total to 235,000. Now I'll click on save. And if you want to go back and check the journal entry effect, you can just click here. Now inventory is debit because customer has returned inventory back to us, so now it is back in the stock. And credit is account receivable, because whatever is due to be received from customer is now reduced by the inventory items that he has returned. So that's how we deal with sales return in PeachTree.